mortal beings, warriors and seekers of truth. My life has been a journey of bloodshed, battles, and an unyielding pursuit for purpose. Today, I share with you what I've learned about finding purpose in life, even when it feels elusive. Finding purpose is not a quest with a clear map or a predefined path. It's about discovery, evolution, and sometimes embracing the uncertainty. Many of you may feel lost, uncertain, or burdened by the weight of not having a clear purpose, but let me tell you, that's okay. Purpose often emerges from the depths of our experiences, from moments of introspection, from the challenges we face and the people we encounter. It's not always about grand destinies or heroic deeds. Purpose can be found in the smallest of actions, in kindness, in compassion, and in helping others. My own journey was filled with pain, anger, and vengeance. For the longest time, I thought my purpose was solely driven by seeking revenge and fulfilling prophecies. It was only when I embraced the moments of stillness, reflected on my actions, and found connections with others that I began to see a different path. To find purpose, one must explore their passions, their values, and the impact they wish to make on the world. It's about aligning your actions with what truly matters to you, regardless of what society expects. And remember, it's okay if you haven't figured it out yet. The journey itself is as important as the destination. Explore, learn, adapt, and grow. Purpose may reveal itself when you least expect it. So, mortals, embrace the uncertainty, pursue your passions, and be open to the lessons life presents. Your purpose may not be a single grand revelation, but a series of meaningful moments that define who you are and the legacy you leave behind. Find purpose in the journey, even amidst the chaos.